Good morning, grade 5s. I miss your little faces. I would far rather be speaking to you in person than to a whiteboard, but we don't really have a choice right now, do we? I hope you had an awesome weekend and you're ready for a full week of work. Today for maths, we're going to be doing exercise 60 on page 117. And the heading for this section is summation. Now, believe it or not, you've been doing summation for years already. It's just a fancy word for finding the missing number. For example, if I have 6 apples and I add 3 more apples to the pile, what will the answer be? Well, 6 plus 3 is 9, so 9 is my answer. What happens if I have 3 apples and I want to know how many more I must add to the pile to make 5 apples? Well, for this sum, I am going to use the opposite of addition, and I'm going to need to subtract. So my sum is going to look like this. 5 minus 3 equals what? Now this answer will go in there. We know that 5 minus 3 is 2. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's go to our textbook, and on page 116 there are 2 examples. We are introduced to the Padilla family, and the problem says that the Padilla family drove to Cape Town and they drove 1,476 kilometers to Cape Town. Then they drove around in Cape Town and drove another 2,483 kilometers. Now the question says, how many kilometers did they travel in total? So we are looking for that answer. We are going to do a down sum, and we're going to add the 2 numbers together. So my answer is 3,959, and that answer will go into there. So my final answer for the question is they travelled 3,959 kilometers in total. Now, while the Padilla family were in Cape Town, they visited a fruit packing factory. This is example 2. While they were at the factory, the 1,232 crates of apples were packed in the morning. At the end of the day, 2,673 crates had been packed. They are asking you how many peaches had been packed in crates in the afternoon. So what they're asking you is this. 1,232 were packed in the morning. How many were packed in the afternoon to give us a total of 2,673? We're going to need to go backwards, aren't we? We're going to need to use subtraction. So we're going to take our total, 2,673. We are going to minus 1,232. And we are going to get 1,441. Now that answer goes in here. So now I know that 1,232 crates packed in the morning plus 1,441 crates packed in the afternoon will give us a total of 2,673 crates packed all together. When you do exercise 60, you need to read the word problems carefully, and you need to do this section so that you can understand whether it is a plus sum or a minus sum. I hope this helps. Let me know how you did.